In this video, we're going to look at how to remove a character from a string using an Excel formula. In this example, we have a string in cell B3 and a specific character that we want to remove from the string, which is the letter B, captured in cell C3. To remove a specific character from a string, we're going to be using the substitute function. So let's go ahead and enter the formula into cell D3. So that's equals substitute, open parentheses. The substitute function replaces characters with another nominated character in a specific string. The first argument of the substitute function is the string from which we want to remove characters. So let's select cell B3, which captures the string, followed by a comma. The second argument is the existing character or characters that we want to replace. So let's select cell C3, which captures the character that we want to replace in the selected string, followed by a comma. The third argument is the new character that we want to replace the existing character with. In this case, given we want to remove the existing character, we simply key in two double quotation marks, which represents a blank value. So that's two double quotation marks. And then to complete the formula, we'll just insert the closing parentheses and press the enter key. And that's it. The formula has now removed the specific character from the string. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.